We are going to go check on the bunnies in the rabbit tractor. We're right over here next to the quail in the shade from this tree. Check it out. It's working good. They just chilling. Check it out.
I'm done this one, Mom.
Eating the drinks. Eating the drinks. Eating the grass.
Mommy,
Oh, that one's so dirty. Because we don't want them all open. Just hanging out. These are all boys, 5 boys. Didn't even see the one that's way over there.
No, they're way over there.
They got plenty of grass, that's for sure. It's a forest in there.
Trust me, it'll be gone.
Yeah, by the end of the day, here we go. I got this thing for shade.
Put that thing over them.
Yeah. Well, the rock is to, in case it blows away.
Yeah, you can put it back.
Here, put it over the water so the water stays. Not like that.
Yeah.
Nope.
Still the same weight.
I might not be in the shade. It's covering the water though. Okay, I put the dog crate tray on there too to help with the shade. So now they got extra shade. The water's in the shade. And I'll come back in a little bit and see how their progress is. I'm going to continually check on them to make sure they're doing okay in the heat. It is windy, but you know, they're in wood. This grass is tall, as you can see. Barely see them in there. So, keep y'all updated. So, I'm back out here. Adjusted their shade a little bit. And they are eating away. They're doing good. They're definitely warm, but they got shade. It's windy. They're getting enough breeze through here. The grass is even blowing. They've got it laid down on this side a little bit. I don't know how well you can see past the fencing, but it's laid down. So they've been walking through here quite a bit. So about an hour and a half after moving them in here. So they're doing good. They're still eating. They're still moving around. So they're not too extremely too hot. They got plenty of shade in here and their water's still full, so just wanted to give y'all an update, an hour and a half in. Alright, it is 8:08 p.m. and they're doing great. Oh, my bad. Yeah, doing great. Grass is down quite a bit. Probably take this off 1 second. Looky there. Yeah, don't hop out, please. Yeah, hi. The grass is down quite a bit. Not as much over there. But right here it is. So I guess they stayed in this spot mainly. But they're still munching on it. They're more active because it's cooled down. It's later in the day. Usually when you see wild rabbits out, it's about the time of day it is. And they still have water left. The white one's over there munching. Somebody, I guess, was mowing and then saw my rabbits and quit, I guess. Not real sure, but here they are. They'll probably be in this spot again tomorrow because they didn't get it all eaten. Unless they eat it a lot within the next hour. Which we'll move them back to the cage before dark. But there's the rabbit tractor update. Thanks for watching, guys. I just wanted to show y'all this side for comparison to the other side. This is how it was, how tall it was throughout all of here when we first put them in. So, here's a comparison. See y'all later.